Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact clip you want and the simplest conversion tool. Choose a video under 15 seconds and preferably vertical so it fills the screen. That avoids awkward cropping. Once chosen, open a live photo converter or wallpaper app and grant photos access so it can save output back to your library. This step matters because phones typically require a live photo or specific format for animated lock screens, so make sure the app outputs that precise format before moving on. Now convert the clip into the phone's required format and save it where the system can read it. Import the video into the converter, trim to the segment you want, and choose live photo or the device's animated wallpaper option. Once exported, go to Photos and play the saved file to confirm it loops, shows proper orientation, and includes any desired zoom/crop. This verification prevents surprises when you set it as your lock screen if it looks off. Reopen the converter and adjust crop or duration. Finish by applying the live photo as your lock screen wallpaper and testing it. Open Wallpaper settings, choose the live photo from Photos, disable perspective zoom if you want no parallax, then set it for lock screen only. Press and hold the lock screen to confirm the animation triggers. That ensures everything worked. If the animation won't play, make sure the file is a true live photo, re-export from the converter app, and if necessary, restart your device. One quick restart often resolves permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.